In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom without the app. If you don't want to download anything onto your device, Zoom gives you a browser option that lets you join a meeting directly from the web. This is really useful if you're on a shared computer, using a device with limited storage, or you just want the fastest way to get into a meeting without installing the desktop application. To get started, open Google in your web browser. Once Google is open, go to the search bar and type Zoom, then press enter to search. In the search results, click on the official Zoom website. Make sure you're opening the correct site so you can safely access the meeting tools you need. After the Zoom website loads, look near the top area of the page for the meeting section. Click on Meet above to continue. This will take you to the area where Zoom gives you options related to joining or starting meetings. Since the goal here is to enter an existing meeting without installing the app, the next thing you want to do is click on Join Meeting. Once you're on the Join Meeting page, you'll be asked to enter the meeting information. If someone sent you a full Zoom meeting link, you may be able to paste that link where needed. If you were given only a meeting ID, simply type or paste the meeting ID into the box provided. Take a second to make sure the link or meeting ID is correct, because even one wrong number can stop you from entering the meeting. After you enter the link or meeting ID, continue by selecting the checkbox that says Join in Browser. This is the key step that allows you to use Zoom without downloading the app. If you don't choose that option, Zoom may try to redirect you to install the software instead. Once you click Join in Browser, Zoom will open the meeting inside your web browser. From there, just follow any prompts on the screen, such as allowing microphone or camera access if needed. If you only want to listen and not speak, you can keep your microphone muted. It's also a good idea to join a minute early so you have time to check your audio and make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. That's how to use Zoom without the app directly in your browser in a simple and quick way.